everybody, I have another engine overview video for you, and today we're going to be going over my oil filter relocation and oil cooler kit. So I have the filter repositioned here just in front of the battery, fits perfectly, and what it is there's just a little sandwich plate that goes onto the stock location, and then the line comes up to the housing here. Once it gets filtered, I have this little sensor here. This is just for the oil temperature. But yeah, after it gets filtered, it comes down to the frame rail. You can see it running down there beside the radiator. I don't know if it's bright enough, but there's the lines right there. They kind of go off to the left. And then just in the stock location, I have a 15-row oil cooler just from eBay, nothing crazy. It fits perfectly in this location. I have it bolted to this little mount here, and then just part of the, I think it's the crash bar or the tow bar just on the inside there on the frame rail. But once it gets cooled, it comes back out the same way, down the frame rail, and goes back into the stock location there to run through the engine. Everything is -10 lines. I cut everything to length. There's not really a specific kit for this car. Everything has to be kind of custom made. The one downside about this kit though is that it is not thermostatically controlled. There's no thermostat anywhere, which kind of sucks. I really wish it did. I'll probably end up swapping it out for something in the future, but yeah, it hasn't really given me any issues. As for the mount here, I just have it bolted to the strut tower with these 90-degree bend pieces of metal, and I believe that is it. Yeah, I just wanted to go over that with you guys. A few of you had some questions, and this is just another video kind of going over my engine bay. I have a few others like this that will be out soon, so hopefully this answered some questions, and I'll see you in the next one.